video part 2. So in our previous class, we taught us on how to design these templates, and the second aspect of this is that we go and get the surah we wanted to use. So I have discussed that in our first video, Quran video class. Then to get the surah, the ayah, and the voice for this, you go to everyayah.com. Again, let me just go on everyayah.com. everyayah.com. Then we'll be using Surah Al-Asr. Then our reciter will be, let me choose our reciter. Abdurrahman al-Sudais. Let me use Sudais. Or Abubakar al-Satri. Let me use Satri. Then let's listen to والعصر. Okay, let's download the first one. Download. Okay, let's download the second ayah. So إن الإنسان لفي خسر. So we download the second ayah. Download. We now go to the third ayah. إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. Okay. You now download the third ayah. Okay. You now go to Surah Al-Fatiha. You go to Surah Al-Fatiha to download the Bismillah. So the first ayah. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Then you download. Okay. After you have downloaded the ayah, then you can open it or go to your download. Come here to your download here. Then rename it. This one should be Bismillah. Name it Bismillah. Okay, it's already. I just say Fatiha. One. Name is already. Please. Let me change the name. Name is I'm coming. Open. Okay. Then we now say Asri 1. You know this one? The first ayah. Asri 01. Then this one also, R3 O2. And the third one also, R3 O3. Okay, you have renamed our ayah, the opening, that's the Bismillah, R3 O1, R3 2, and R3 3. Then after that, you go to our Quran to go and copy the translation, the ayah and the translation. Go to Surah Al-Asr. Okay. You now click on these three dots. You click on copy. Then go back to your note. So go and paste it in your note. So what I'll see, you go and click on the second ayah. Second ayah, you will copy it again. You go back to your note and paste the second ayah here, and go back to the third ayah, copy, and we post the third ayah here. Paste. So this we stop here and we continue in our next class.